Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For those of you that are new and viewing today's video, welcome to the channel, y'all. Today I am installing a wig from Alipearl hair. They sent over a V-part unit for me to try for y'all today. So here's what is inside of the packaging that they sent. They sent over a bag to keep your wig in. They got edge brush, melt band, and some wig caps. Everything you need to install your wig besides hot tools and whatnot. I haven't tried a good V-part wig in a hot minute. And when I say a hot minute, it's been over like a year and a half, I think, since the last time I tried one. So I was very excited about getting this one, specifically because wigs where you can leave your natural hair out have a way of making wearing extensions look so much more natural. And with the V parts, they lay a lot more flat, and they actually are more secure in my opinion compared to like a U part wig, and less hair is involved to leave out when you are covering the tracks of a V part. The first thing I had to do was, my hair is all natural and it had been taken out of a fresh braid out, so it was kind of crinkly and all over the place. So I put some water in it just to separate the hair that I wanted to leave out versus put underneath the wig. I left out like a V-part shaping in the middle because I knew I wanted a middle part. And once I got that part separated, then we can move on to the installation of the wig, which is pretty easy and simple. So this is a kinky texture wig that they sent over to me, and it has some clips all around the part where your hair is going to be out, so you can make sure it's very secure at the top. It has combs that are near your ears, a comb in the back, as well as a band and adjustable bands, so you can use those in the back to make sure that your wig is pretty much snug and stuck and not going to move. Once I got the wig installed, I moved on to straightening out the hair. This is a kinky texture hair, so it's a lot more full and it has a lot more texture to it. I'm going to straighten it out piece by piece, which does take quite a bit of time. Not even gonna lie to you, it's gonna take some time if you want your hair to be as straight as possible with this texture. So I am taking my time with doing so let's go ahead and watch this process. And I have to apologize for the stuff that you see on the floor behind me. I did not put that on the floor. It wasn't on the floor when I started. A certain someone, aka my dog, had stuff all over the floor behind me, so I apologize for that. Now, once we get the hair all straight, which is, in my opinion, the longest part, then you can move on to your natural hair. So like I said, I left out a V-part shaping of my natural hair, and I'm going to straighten it, put a part in the middle, make sure that it blends into the kinky texture hair really well. Now, I colored my hair about, a year ago now? Either way, I colored it, and the ends, as you can see from where it grew out after I did my big chop, are still there. So I'm taking some hairspray that is colored to put on the ends, so that way it blends into the hair even better than what it already was. And once you do that, y'all, you pretty much done. You are pretty much done. See, a V-part wig, it really doesn't take too much. It's not a very, very long process because the hair is ready for you to go, and then you just have to prep your hair and make sure that it blends. But I feel like when I wear a U-part or V-part or whatever, they're a lot more quicker to install than it is a closure or frontal wig. So if you're someone who doesn't want to deal with any lace, V-part wig is probably going to be your best friend, because it gives you the extensions and the different hair look that you are looking for without having to worry about using any lace or any glue or any type of product like that. And this is not me down talking a good lace wig, because I love my lace, honey. But I'm just saying it's good to have an alternative. So here you are. Now, I left my hair straight. Of course, you could wear it how it is coming out the packaging, or you can add some curls to it because it is human hair. So if you want to have like those kinky curls, you could do that. It would be very beautiful. The wig doesn't have any layers in it, but if you want layers, you can add layers. I did not add layers. I love how natural it looked, just how it was. Like, I felt like it could have been growing out of my scalp with how natural it looked. So you have some options when you decide to get this wig. So it is very thick. Keep that in mind. Kinky texture hair tends to be thick. I got a longer length. If you want it shorter, you can order it shorter, or you can give it a cut, whatever you choose to do. But let me know what you guys think about it. Overall, I was really feeling this wig, like really feeling it. I was like, dang, I forgot how much I like to be part wigs. Definitely leave in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. If you're interested in the wig, I'll have a direct link in my description box below. Thank you to Alipearl Hair for sending over today's wig. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye, y'all.